Welcome back to Kids Time. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a Fox bookmark. For this you'll need an orange piece of square paper and a scrap orange. What you are going to do is you are going to fold your orange square into half like this and crease it with your nails. And now you take a side of your bookmark and you fold it up like this, and then you crease it, and then you do the same with the other side. And now you have a diamond. Now you are going to unfold it and take the top of the triangle and bend it down to the bottom like this. And you are going to take your fold and you are going to tuck it in just like this. And now you are going to do the same with your other fold. You're just going to fold it and you're going to tuck it in. And now you're going to crease it. And now you're going to take this and tuck it in too. And now you have a bookmark. To make it into a fox, you take your paper and you draw a nose just like this, a tiny curve at the bottom. And then you shade it like this. And now you draw your eyes. And you draw a tiny circle in here like this, and you shade the rest in, and do the same with the other. Like this. If you don't like it, you can color it all in. And now for the ears, you're going to take your scrap piece of paper and your pencil, and you are going to draw some triangle ears. And now you're going to cut them out like this. And now you cut your other one out. Like this. And now you have 2 ears. And now you're going to take your fox. Now I am going to glue my other ear on, just like this. And ta-da! You have your fox bookmark. And you put it in your book, just like this. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, press like and subscribe.